Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how to insert an image on your PowerPoint presentation, so if you are interested then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to insert an image on your PowerPoint presentation, it's actually pretty easy. So for the first step, I want you to go to the PowerPoint slide where you want to insert the image. And once you're on the slide, next, go to the Insert tab at the top. And once you're on the Insert tab, I want you to look for the picture option. And then click this device. And then after that, you will be directed to your File Explorer. Just go to the location of the image that you want to insert. And once you've found the image that you want to insert, you can now click it. And then click Insert to completely insert the image to your presentation. And then after that, it's done. The image will now be added to your presentation. Just resize it or move it wherever you want. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.